Hey, this is Jim from OSR Garage. So today we're going to do some 0 to 60 pulls in my 2018 F150 5.0 in normal mode and in sport mode. And then I'm going to put the SCT tuner with the box tunes, or preloaded tunes if you want to call them preloaded tunes, on an 87 octane preloaded tune. So that'll be the next thing, and that'll be 2 pulls, one with normal and one with sport. And then we will put on a 5-star 87 octane tune, and we'll do pulls 0 to 60 on both of those with normal mode and sport mode. And let's just see how good it gets. Alright, so this is going to be some pulls with no tune, normal mode. Alright, so I didn't have a speed thing on, but you can see it went up. And what I am showing here is looks like 6.9 seconds, 0 to 60. So now I'll do sport mode. So as you can see, I am going to switch to sport. Alright, so be the last one, and that looks a little bit better. 6.7 in sport mode. Alright, looks pretty good. Looks like we just a little bit of box tune, got a little bit faster, and we'll go on from there. Alright, that was the first one. Looks like we had 0 to 60 in 6.5 seconds is what I am reading there. So that was pull number 1 in normal with an 87 octane tune from a SCT box tune. Alright, that was a lot better, guys. What I'm seeing right there is 6.2. So we went from 6.5, I believe, on the last one to 6.2 this time. So that was a pretty significant jump there. Alright, that's it for now. Alright, it's a 5-star tune in normal. Seeing here, do I see 5.8? The 5-star 87 octane tune. Alright, so now we'll switch over to sport. Alright, as you can see, I just switched over into sport mode. On that one, 5.5 seconds. That is awesome. That's on a 5-star 87 octane tune. Can't wait to see what happens when I get to the 91 octane and the 93 octane tunes. Think we can get in the sub 5s, low 5s, high 4s? See what happens. Hey guys, what'd you think about that? That was pretty awesome. We went from stock on normal at 6.9. We went to, and we put on the SCT 87 tune, and in normal we went to 6.5. And then we put the 5-star octane tune on, and in normal mode, and got down to a 5.8. I mean, that's phenomenal. I mean, that's almost a full second between stock and the 5-star 87 tune. Then you go over to the sport mode, and sport mode stock we had 6.7, and the 87 tune from SCT got us down to 6.2, and then when we put that 5-star 87 tune on, 5.5. Can you guys believe that? 5.5. So, you know, you're starting out at stock on normal mode at 6.9. You throw an 87 octane tune from 5-star, put it in sport mode, and you're down to 5.5. That's almost a second and a half. That is just amazing. We're going to do some other tunes on here. I want to get the truck to settle into the tune that we're driving on right now, so those videos will be coming up over the next few months. So make sure you guys click the notification on there so you guys can see those videos when they come up. Don't forget to hit subscribe. You want to make sure that you hit subscribe. We're at about 50 subscribers right now. I want to keep building this channel so I can keep doing stuff like this. Also, make sure you guys click that like button. That like button is what spreads everything to everybody else, so other people can see this. And the best thing that's going to be coming up is we're going to do some of these 0 to 60s in that Bronco Sport, and then put a 5-star tune on it. So, you know, make sure you want to watch out for those. So hit subscribe, hit the like button, hit that bell notification, and I will see you later.